Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening an incognito window immediately. This prevents Chrome from saving local history and cookies for that session. Click the three-dot menu or press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows or plus Shift plus N on Mac. Once done, make sure you see the dark hat and glasses icon and the brief explanation text. This verifies you're in the right mode. You should also sign out of accounts you don't want tied to the session, because logging in will link activity to those services. Once the window is open, control what can still track you. Disable extensions that are allowed in Incognito, because some can log activity even there. Go to Settings, right arrow Privacy and Security to block third-party cookies and to clear site data when you close windows. This reduces persistent tracking. Meanwhile, consider using a separate Chrome profile or the guest mode to segregate bookmarks and autofill. You do this because Incognito limits local traces, but it does not hide you from websites. To finish, close every Incognito window. That action clears local session cookies and history. If you still see personalized content, make sure to clear DNS cache and any persistent site data and sign out of accounts you used. If pages still reveal identity, remember Incognito doesn't mask your IP. Use a reputable VPN or Tor for network-level anonymity. If an extension or profile is leaking data, disable it and restart Chrome. This usually resolves residual tracking problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.